Hello and welcome to MLPro, where we provide you with machine learning and data science practice opportunities, as well as provide employers with an opportunity to hire you based on your performance. We, every month, put out a new screening assessment, which you can take, and it has some coding questions, which you can practice on our website for. We also have multiple choice questions, which you can practice the theoretical knowledge. And we provide open-ended questions that let you practice your data science and machine learning implementation abilities and problem-solving abilities in an open-ended manner, because as we all know, there's no one right answer to data science and machine learning. So we work with you to get you hired. Our goal is to get you hired. And so you can take the performance, do really well and get placed, or you can do not so well and we'll send you some targeted areas for improvement so that you can do better the next time. And we'll have periodic assessments for you to take. On this YouTube channel, we will provide you with many opportunities to learn areas that you might have trouble with. So we'll provide tutorials for our coding questions, for our multiple choice questions, and for our open-ended questions. So welcome to MLPro. Hope you're excited to go on this journey with us, and we look forward to getting you hired.